If you're active duty at Travis AFB and you're paying rent every month, you might be one conversation away from owning a home instead. And I want to show you why your BAH makes that possible. BAH, your basic allowance for housing, is tax-free income. And here's something a lot of service members don't know. Because it's tax-free, VA lenders can gross it up by 25% when calculating your debt-to-income ratio. What that means in plain English. If you're receiving $3,090 a month in BAH as an E4 with dependents at Travis, your lender can treat that as roughly $3,863 in qualifying income. You didn't get a raise, but your buying power just went up. BAH isn't just allowed as income on a VA loan. It can cover most or even all of your mortgage payment. And unlike rent, every payment you make builds equity that belongs to you. Your lender will verify BAH through your leave and earnings statement, your LES. Make sure your LES is current and clearly shows your BAH rate. If you're approaching separation or the end of your contract, timing matters and it's worth a conversation early. The 2026 BAH rate for Vallejo and Travis AFB ranges from $3,090 a month for lower enlisted with dependents, all the way up to nearly $4,000 for senior officers. In a market where Fairfield homes are selling around $555,000 to $570,000, and Vacaville around $615,000, that BAH goes a long way. The math often surprises people. I've had service members realize their mortgage payment would actually be less than their current rent. That's a real outcome for real Travis AFB families. At Stacey Solutions, we know how to read an LES and build a loan file for active duty borrowers. We understand military income, what counts, what gets grossed up, and how to present your file in the strongest way possible. If you're stationed at Travis and you're wondering whether buying makes more sense than renting right now, let's talk. Reach out to Stacey Solutions. That conversation is free. Subscribe for more content built specifically for military families in Solano County. Results vary based on individual financial situation. BAH gross-up policies may differ by lender. Consult a VA-approved lender for your specific qualifying scenario.